para din sa mga bagong who just joined us today, if you want to improve your speed sa running, there are two factors that you need to really focus on. One is yung VO2 max, which is yung maximum capacity ng body nyo to take in oxygen, given a specific workout. Okay? Kailangan nyo i-increase nyo, for some na who are not familiar, you can check yung watch nyo. Nandun yan sa watch nyo. Yung VO2 max. So, the higher the number, the better it is for you. Okay? And then, the other one, definitely yung lactate threshold. Okay? I'm sure you're familiar with the term, naririnig niya, So, it's one factor to really improve, to run longer distances at a specific speed. Okay? So, you have to improve that. Anyone here na experience during a race, parang bumibigat yung nila, parang nagiging sore, bumibigat yung legs nyo, parang feeling nyo, parang i-brace na kayong dala-dala sa legs. Sino naka-experience yun during the race? Yun. Yun yung isang factor, why you have to, meaning, kailangan i-improve siya, yung lactate threshold. It's a number that you need to improve on. Okay? So, yun ang dalawang factors, guys. Okay? And then, aside from that, I'll have, alam naman natin yung importance ng sleep and recovery, di ba? Sleep and recovery. So, sino naka-experience dito ng sino na-injured na rito? Or at least, medyo na-extend yung mga pain or injured. So, normally, anong ginagawa nyo guys pag na-injured? Immediate, immediate,
tumakbo pa rin.
Bigas ulo eh.
Habang umiiyak.
Paano yung sa'yo gano'ng katagal may injury? 6 months. Okay. Usually, pag yan ang katagalan talaga, medyo extended talaga yung time, to allow it to heal, Yung sa'yo, anong injury yun?
Lower back.
Lower back?
Oo.
Okay. So yun, usually pag ganyan guys, ito yung I mentioned this also before, every workout that you do, there's a corresponding rest and recovery. The more intense, the longer yung mga workouts nyo, you have to, kumbaga, dapat may corresponding rest and sleep dapat kayo ginagawa. Kasi once na you neglect yung rest part, yung recovery part, somehow yung body hindi siya nakaka-recover. And isipin nyo guys, during the workouts, di ba, you apply stress. So nag-breakdown yung muscles nyo. Okay? So for it to adapt, okay, yun yung minsan wrong motion din for beginners. Good rest, that's the time that your body nagkakaroon na adaptation. Diyan kayo malakas actually, hindi during the runs. So you have to really set time for you to rest and recover. Kasi minsan ang iniisip natin, kailangan takulan ng ako. Okay? Since, di ba, medyo fast-paced yung natin, mga activities natin during the day. Somehow, kumaga nasa sacrifice is yung rest and recovery.
Tama pala yun.
Okay. I'll have Carla come here. I'll have Carla